Grandma's voice, a gentle hum. Uncle Joe, his story spun. Mom would say, just one more call before the twilight starts to fall. Each digit clicked, a memory fading out eternally. But the number's gone, the wires are cold, a story that's too often told. This backlight feels so alone, lost in a cosmic undertone. I keep dialing, the sun keeps ringing back through the plasma on this magnetic track. A lonely signal, a solar flare's reply, spinning round the sunspot, way up high. My childhood friend, a whispered name, sister's laughter, just the same. Dad's advice, so clear and bright, lost within the solar light. Each connection, a fading gleam, caught inside a molten dream. And the number's dead, the silence deep, secrets that the plasma keep. This backlight feels so undone, stranded on the burning sun. I keep dialing, the sun keeps ringing back through the plasma on this magnetic track. A lonely signal, a solar flare's reply, spinning round the sunspot, way up high. Static monologue.
You dial for echoes, for what used to be. But I am the fire, the vast decree. Every ring you make, a new star born. Your memories fade, my plasma sworn.
I keep dialing, the sun keeps ringing back through